Hey everyone, I'm Sean, a front-end developer here at Jibestream.
And I'm Louis, our SDK developer. In this latest release, we made a bunch of improvements to our indoor mapping and location platform for faster implementation and easier maintenance. I'll be giving a demo of our Map UI kit.
And I'm going to show you some enhanced features in our CMS, all of which I'm very excited about. So let's get started.
Okay, so what's a Map UI kit and why did we create it? It's basically a plugin for the Jibestream SDK that allows you to create interactive elements on the map. There are 5 pre-made elements in this kit: a pop-up box, a level selector, a search bar, a compass, and zoom buttons. So why do we create this? Simple. We want to reduce your development lifecycle. To give you some numbers, because we all love numbers, we spent 700 hours developing this, so you only have to spend 7 hours getting your map up and running in your application. You basically take our template, select the UI elements that you want to include in your map, stylize it to fit your brand, and then ask your boss for a vacation, because you're done. Okay, so let me show you our Map UI kit and how easy it is to work with. This is our search, the pop-up, compass, zoom buttons, and the floor selector. Now watch me as I quickly style this floor selector and move this element to another position. So right here, I can add in some properties, such as position. I'll make it at 1 and 0.2. And you notice that currently the floor selector is at the bottom, but when I press run, now the floor selector will be at the top. I can also style it by simply creating a style object and then setting a fill, let's say red, and then add the style to the floor selector. And right now, this floor selector is blue, but if I press run, and now it is red. You might notice that there's minimal code here. That's because we reduced the code a developer would have to write by 87%, which really allows your developers to spend time on bigger things.
Okay, so now that you've seen how easy it is to style your maps, I'm going to show you my favorite new feature along with some other enhancements we've made. So we've got lazy loading, an enhanced map format exchange utility, floor sequence changing, and localized keywords. We put a lot of work into improving the performance of our CMS for this release. As part of this work, we optimized how we handle loading venues, resulting in much faster load times. This change reduced the time it took to load thousands of venues from approximately 13.5 seconds down to about 0.6 seconds. This is over 2000% faster. Okay, so let's jump over to the CMS to see some of these new features in action. In our last release, we announced the availability of our Matte Format Exchange utility, which allowed you to make changes to and download your newly edited maps in PNG, SVG, and a CAD-friendly format. In this latest release, we've expanded the utility so you can download your latest source of truth file from the Jibestream CMS in GeoJSON format. This means for those who work with the GeoJSON format or plan to in the future, your maps are ready and truly interoperable with other systems. So, with our floor selector, you can expect it to work like any other drag and drop tool. Think less clicks and more intuitive interactions. This feature is great for administrators who have many venues and have many floors. Sometimes it can get confusing when there are a lot of floors that look similar. This feature makes it easier for them to set up and faster for them to manage. And for my last bit, I'm going to show you how we've expanded our map localization to include keywords. See here how I edit this destination. We can see that we have the English word for restroom as a keyword. If I change the locale to Catalan, we can see that this form is now empty. I can enter in the Catalan equivalent for restroom here and save this form. There you go, it's as easy as that to add localized keywords. This is great for users who have venues in all parts of the world. We cater to your growth and to your end users too.
We hope you found this useful. If you have any questions on our new features or on the Jibestream indoor mapping platform itself, feel free to contact us at info@jibestream.com. Until the next release,